Be ready. Start. The contention, although attractive on first blush, cannot be accepted. Stop. Decree Exhibit P2 dated 31/7/1972 has been produced whereby Chandravali and Ram Kaur became owners of this land on the basis of compromise dated 31/7/1972. Stop. The said compromise has not been produced nor there is any document regarding alleged exchange of any other land by Chandravali and Ram Kaur with this land. Stop. Consequently, Chandravali and Ram Kaur became owners of this land for the first time on 31/7/1972. Stop. The instant suit was instituted on 6/3/1999. Stop. Consequently, plaintiffs remained as tenants under Chandravali and Ram Kaur for less than 27 years before the filing of the suit. Stop. However, Section 5(2) of the Punjab Tenancy Act 1887 provides that if a tenant has continuously occupied the land for 30 years on certain conditions, then presumption of occupancy rights under Section 5(I)(a) of the said Act can be raised. Stop. In the instant case, the said condition is not satisfied as the plaintiffs were not tenants under Chandravali and Ram Kaur for 30 years prior to filing of the suit. Stop. Consequently, this claim of the plaintiffs has been rightly negatived by the courts below stanza. For the reasons aforesaid, I find no merit in the instant second appeal. Stop. Concurrent finding recorded by the courts below against the plaintiffs regarding aforesaid part of their claim is fully justified by the evidence on record. Stop. The said finding is not shown to be perverse or illegal, nor it is based on misreading or misappreciation of evidence. Stop. Therefore, the said finding does not call for interference in second appeal. Stop. No question of law, much less substantial question of law, arises for determination in the instant second appeal. Stop. Accordingly, the appeal is dismissed in limine. Stop. This is application by appellant for condonation of delay of 448 days in filing the appeal. Stop. It is alleged in the application that on inquiry, counsel for the applicant-appellant in the lower appellate court kept on telling that the first appeal was still pending, but thereafter applicant-appellant inquired from some other munshi, clerk of some other advocate and learnt that the appeal had been decided by the lower appellate court. Stop. Thereafter, applicant-appellant applied for copy of the order of the lower appellate court, and after receiving the same, applicant-appellant contacted his counsel in the High Court who wanted brief of the lower courts including evidence recorded in the trial court. Full stop. Over.